Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Thursday. Yes, it's already Thursday, March the 11th, 2021. In this additional with extra Sudokus, we have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. And there's also a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, one binary, no, two binaries. Binary number one, binary number two. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all, only 4 of them. Too much and time consuming. And the first one I will do will be a 3 stars, and this will be number 2, 4, 5, 4. All right, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is 10, 12, 14, 17, plus 3 is 20, 22, plus 3 is equal to 25. Correct, because the 3-star Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about... Let me see. 6. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. Here 6, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or could be there. Well, we have another 6, so no 6 here. Only place for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 3 should be there. Okay. We have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in that box. Here 9, so no 9 in this box. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the 3rd row, 9 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the 2nd column. So in the 3rd column, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see a digit number 1, number 9, alright. All right. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then we have a 6 in this row, 6 in a row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 1 should be there. I cannot continue with the 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and a 2. 8 is missing. 8. 2. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1 and a 3, 8, 8. Okay. 3, 3. Let me scan. 6, 6, 5. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. One of those 2 boxes is a 2, so in this box cannot be a 2 anymore. So here we have another 2, no 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Alright, 2, 2. Okay. And now, 8, 2 numbers left. Let me see, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Okay. What are these 3 missing numbers in this row? 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. 3, 4. And the 5 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 7. Okay. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 7, 3. Yes. No. 8. 6. Yeah. Let me think. 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 6 are missing in the last column. The 4 and the 6. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, the 8 is missing. And the 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here, these 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be there. These 2 boxes are left for the numbers 7 and 4, 7 and 4. Let me mark those 2 numbers. So now we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. Alright, 1 box left in the first row for the number 8. Oh, no, we have an 8 here. This should be the number 6. 6 is missing, yes, 6. Alright. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8, let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. That means in one of those 2 boxes is a 7 in this column. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 7. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. 7 and 8. I'm missing a... Yes, in this row, one of the missing number is a 4. Because we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 8 in this row. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 5. I need to mark them. I cannot fill this yet. So we have a 7 in this column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So in the column between. The only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright, and now we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the number 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and 5. Then 3. 7, 5. Okay. We have an 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. All right. Yes, 2 numbers left in this row, the 7 and the 5. Let me mark those because we have a pair now, 7 and a 5. Okay. 7 and a 5, so the 2. Okay. What are the other 3 numbers? The 2 is missing. 2 in the first column. The 3 is missing. 3, and the 4 is missing. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 4. 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this big square, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. The 3 and the 4. So 1 digit left should be a 2. Alright. So those 2 boxes should be the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 and a 5 we have here left in the second row. Now we have a 7 there. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 and the... No. We have a 2 here. The 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 here in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes for a 3-star Sudoku. I'm pleased with the time. It could be a 1-star, 2-star Sudoku, but 3 stars. I think for 3 stars, I need more than 20 minutes. Between the 20 minutes and the 25. Maybe 30 minutes. Well, anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So prepare for this one. See you later. Bye-bye for now.